I'm just going to take 5 minutes to quickly point you towards some family law resources, and then I'll open it up for questions. Legal Aid has a lot of great family law resources available for you. They have a family law website, familylaw.lss.bc.ca. There's over 900 pages of family law information. A lot of what I've used in my presentation is actually from the Click Law, from my own experience, of course, but also from the Click Law Wikibooks website, JP Boyd on family law, because the information is just so detailed, so beautifully laid out, and in plain language so that anyone can understand it. And this website also has a ton of information that you can use to direct clients to or to answer your own questions about family law. There's also the Family Law Line, as was already mentioned. And then I just wanted to point you to some hard copy resources. A lot of these are outside. I couldn't find an English copy of this. It might be that people took them all, which is great. But this is the Live Safe End Abuse pamphlet. I personally give this to clients all the time who are at risk of family violence. It includes a lot of great information about safety planning, about protection orders, about what your rights are in family law matters, about the criminal court process. So that's a great resource. This is another one, Family Law in BC, and this is a really great, basic, quick, flashcard style resource about just basic family law. So a lot of what I went over in the beginning of my presentation. So someone who has no idea or no reference point for what family law is, this is a really great starting point. It's not an overwhelming amount of information. There's also a pamphlet for unbundled legal services. Another great resource for domestic violence is mothers leaving abusive partners, especially geared towards women. I always give clients this resource, Separation Agreements, Your Right to Fairness. If they're not in court and they're trying to negotiate with their spouse, but they're not really sure what they should put in an agreement or how to structure that, or even what issues to think about. And the last one is Coping with Separation. So this is a really great resource to give to people who have just separated or maybe in a state of emotional and financial turmoil, and they're trying to figure out how to navigate that with their kids. So it's really for people who have recently separated and are experiencing a lot of stress.